In a peaceful little village lived a humble man and his kind wife. Their home was small, their meals were plain, but their laughter filled the air every night. One day the man stood beside his cow, their most valuable animal. It gave milk, they sold some in the village, and that money helped them live. But he sighed. "Maybe we can have something better," he said to his wife. She looked up from kneading dough. "Better than what we have?" He didn't answer. The next morning, he set out for the market with the cow. At the market, he saw a man with a strong horse. "A horse is faster than a cow," the man thought. "I could plow faster, ride to town." So he traded. He returned home, proud. But when his wife saw the horse, she paused. "We don't ride, we don't plow much." "It's stronger," he said. "Is it better for us?" she asked gently. That night, the horse kicked down part of their fence. The man couldn't sleep. A few days later, he saw a man with a fat pig. Easier to care for, he thought. He traded the horse. He brought the pig home. The wife smiled kindly. "It's a good pig." But the pig rolled in their garden and ate all the vegetables. They had no food to sell now. Next, he traded the pig for a goat, then the goat for a bag of apples, then the apples for a sack of beans. Each time he came home, hoping he'd done the right thing. Each time his wife only said, "As long as you're safe, we'll make do." But his heart felt heavy. Once they had a cow. Now they had beans. That night, as they sat by the fire, the man stared into the flames. "I've ruined everything," he whispered. "I kept thinking the next thing would be better, but all I did was lose what we had." His wife reached for his hand. "You didn't ruin everything," she said. "We still have a roof, a fire, and each other." "But we had more," he said. "We had enough," she replied. "And maybe that was more than we knew." The next day, the man returned to the market. He didn't trade. He didn't ask for anything. He simply watched others shout, bargain, and rush to have more. Then he smiled. He turned and walked home, where the beans were cooking, the garden was being replanted, and a woman who truly understood him was waiting by the fire. And he never traded again. We often chase what we think will be better. More money, newer things, bigger plans. But sometimes, in the rush to get more, we trade away the very things that already made us happy. This story is a reminder that real happiness isn't about endless upgrades or perfect choices. It's about recognizing when you already have enough and holding it close before it slips away.